Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Popular and easy methods for liver detox. We all know that our body needs detoxification once in a while. It not only promotes good health and well-being, it also rejuvenates the vital organs of our bodies. And our organs, especially the liver, do need rejuvenating once in a while. But some people get turned off by the idea of liver detoxification because of some methods are indeed a bit hard to complete. There's also the matter of budgeting when it comes to certain liver detox methods. You cannot really expect to shell out hundreds of dollars for herbal supplements and such. This is why some people are turned off by the idea of liver detoxification. But there are still easy liver detox methods that one can try. What's best about these methods is that you won't have to shell out money for them. For these easy liver detox methods, all you would have to do is aid your body through the natural detoxification processes it goes through. Our bodies have their own set of filters for natural detoxification. The best thing to do is to assist our bodies into performing this process. The first of the easy liver detox methods you can employ is to increase your intake of selenium. The accumulation of toxins from just about everywhere increases your body's need for selenium. By answering that need, you would actually be aiding your liver in its natural detoxification process. Selenium is needed in the production of glutathione peroxidase. This is a kind of enzyme that has antioxidant properties. People who smoke actually have lower levels of selenium because of their habit. So, they would have to double their intake of selenium. Excellent sources of selenium include brown rice, chicken, garlic, onions, seafood, grains, vegetables, and dairy products. Another easy liver detox method that you can use is the increasing of zinc intake. Zinc actually protects your body from exposure to free radicals and environmental toxins. Zinc is also an excellent antioxidant, and can lessen the harmful effects of free radicals. Sources of zinc include fish, egg yolks, mushrooms, sunflower seeds, poultry, oysters, and parsley. And the most easy liver detox method that you can employ is being hydrated. This means consume more water in a day. That recommended 8 glasses of water a day should be hit every single day. This way, your liver's workload would be relieved a bit as well. Not just your liver, because a lot of bodily processes need water for their proper functioning, you know. So, you are ultimately promoting your whole well-being. And this is the main goal of all easy liver detox methods. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.